Hi, this is our platform Tenderkart. We help Indian companies in three ways. One is finding government tenders. In India, government floats tender over 100 plus websites where tenders are behind captchas. So it gets very difficult for these companies to find relevant opportunities on time. Second is we help these companies analyze the market so they have a better chance of winning a tender by taking informative decisions in pricing. And the third thing is the tender application process itself is very messy. We try to make it very easy for them. I'll show you all these things one by one. First is tender search. So a user can come and search using natural language. Let's say we have a contractor looking for tenders in Maharashtra state, road construction in Maharashtra over 5 CR. Our system would show the contractor all the relevant tenders which are open right now. The user can save this filter and they will get real-time alerts whenever a new tender comes. Let's pick this tender for example. All the details about this tender is available here so that the users do not need to go to any other website. What all documents are required, what are the important dates, what exactly is the work needed, etc. The next thing is, say the user wants to apply for this tender. Now, in government tenders, there are a lot of documents which the user needs to go through. This is all unstructured data. These are more than 100-page documents, and for each tender, doing it takes a lot of time. For this, we have this AI analysis tool, which makes it very easy. We have run AI analysis for this tender, and the user would get what all documents are required. They can easily audit this. It saves them a lot of time. It's like a checklist when they're applying for tenders. They can check whether their company is eligible or not. And one important thing is when a company is applying for tenders, there is an opportunity cost. If they end up missing a document, they will get technically rejected. They are basically losing money and time here. Now, consider a persona of a manufacturer who manufactures HDP pipes. This person doesn't participate in tenders directly, but he is interested in selling his products to companies that are winning tenders. Let's see how they are using our platform. They go to the results section and they search for HDP pipe requirement in tenders over, say, 5 crore rupees. Our system would show them all the tenders where HDP pipe is required, and it will show them which companies have been awarded the contract. Let's open this tender. HDP pipe is required here. They will be able to see this company, ECP IT Solutions, was awarded this tender. They can find out the contact of this company and can reach out to these people. So they are using it to find leads for their products. Next important thing that we provide is competitive intelligence. Any user can come and find out who their competitors are, what prices their competitors are bidding in past tenders, which departments these companies are working with. Let me show you how. They can go to this competitors tab and search for any company in India. Say we search for Larsen and Tupro. It will show you the entire history of this company in government tendering, what all governments the company participated in, what was the result of tenders, what prices this company is quoting for different products, services they are providing. They can check which organization this company is more active with. They can find out the competitors of this company. They can even find out the contact details of this company. This acts as a lead for insurers or brokers which want to sell surety bonds, etc. This is a brief overview of our platform, and we are evolving based on the user needs. Thank you.